6 right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 right. Into long crest to last tree. Into 6 left. And caution, keep right for big mig jump. 80, 6 right over crest, bump. 50, turn 1 right. Into 4 left. Opens, then narrows at the crest. And 6 left. Continues over crest. 200, chicane right entry. .100, caution, keep in the middle, jump. Into crest. Long 4 right over bridge. And 4 left, 150, straight crest. 50, turn 2 left. 2 left. It's 150 up. Crest, turn 2 right at rock. And 2 left. And 2 right, narrows, gravel. Into 6 left, 100, crest. Long 6 left at crest. Into crest. Into caution 5 left at rock. 3 right. Into 5 left, no cut. Into straight crest. 50 down. 4 right. Into 6 left at bumps. 80 over dip. 6 right opens over jump, keep in. Into 6 left over bump. 80. Crest, kink 6 left, 5 right. Into long 5 left, no cut. 40, 6 right. And 4 right, no cut. And 6 left over crest. Into caution 3 right, 3 left. And 4 left, no cut. And crest 6 left. 80 over line, turn 2 right, no cut. And crest long 5 right. Continues. And 4 right at signs. And turn 2 left, no cut. 1 right.
Bus stop, isn't it?
That's it, yeah. And 3 left, no cut. 50. Keep left, over crest. 40. 6 left over dip. 50. Big jump. 50. 6 left at tree. Sudden turn 4 right. Into 1 right narrows. 1 right narrows. 3 right over crest. 1 turn, 1 right narrows maybe. 3 right over crest, 4 left over crest.
We're doing the left.
Try and find that.
It's like a 5
3
left.
right, yeah. 80 straight crest. What's this? Is a long 4 left, is it?
Now right.
5 right, 3 right, dip in maybe. Maybe
Yeah,
80 straight crest.
That's it.
50. 5 right over crest.
Yeah.
Opens into 6 long. 6 left, long.
Yeah.
150, long 4 left. Yeah, we're okay. Into turn 1 right. Into turn 1 right.
Yeah, that sounds right.
6 left, no cut. 2 right at rock. 6 left, 2 right. Into 6 left. Over crest, keep in. 60, 6 left, keep in. and 5 left over crest, tightens, 70 up, 5 left over crest, 40, 6 left keep in, 30, 3 right at junction, 3 right at junction.
Yep.
And straight crest, and long 6 left, no cut, and 6 right, into straight crest, 50, 5 left, no cut, 50, caution crest, into bus stop right entry, 50, 6 right opens over crest, 40, crest, 4 left, deceptive no cut, 60 down, caution straight crest, and 5 right over cut, over crest, 50 down, 6 left at shed, and 5 left no cut, 5 right and crest 6 left, opens, chicane right entry bails, right entry over bridge, followed by 5 right, 40, crest 5 left, into crest, and long 5 right, and crest 4 left, 60, car park 2 right, two left, 2 right slippy, and turn 2 left round bail, no bail,
Left.
80 up, 6 right, and 6 left over crest, and long 4 left over crest, keep in, into 5 right opens, 150, 6 left, and 6 right,
Yep, next.
into 5 left over crest, and long 4 left over crest, into straight crest,
Yep.
and straight crest, 40, 6 left over crest, continues over crest, and 6 left over crest, into crest 4 right over bump, tightens, into crest 4 left, sudden, turn 2 right, 2 left,
Sudden
2 right, 2 left, no cut, 80, long 6 right, continues after sign, 350, keep left, 350, keep left, straight crest at trees, straight crest at trees,
Yeah.
and then I've got 300 to sign.
Then what?
At the sign it's a 6 right over crest, 6 right over crest,
Yeah.
into dip 4 left, keep in,
Got it.
50, 6 left, and crest 5 right, 5 right, into long 6 left, 50 down, 3 right over bridge, tightens slippy,
Okay.
40, 6 left over crest, 40, 5 left, keep in, continues past the Armco, 80 uphill, straight crest, 40, 5 right, tightens, into long 5 left, over crest,
Yeah.
60, straight crest, followed by 200, 6 left over crest,
6 left.
6 left over crest, followed by 200, Bus stop, chicane, right entry.
Okay.
Followed by long crest, into 6 left, continues past sign over crest. 6 left, continue over crest, 200 down,